Hi everyone, it's Rachel from Merrick Makings in Australia. I have had a few requests from people to tell them the dimensions of this card, and I thought, well, why not just take the opportunity to take to create a quick YouTube video and create another card using all these panels. So the dimensions are at the bottom, and of course I'm in Australia, so I am using Australian measurements, but I have a standard card base which measures out at 14.8 by 10.5, and then my next layer, which I did emboss in this gorgeous plaid 3D in Old Olive, I think it is. That one is 13.8 by 9.5, so essentially 1 centimeter smaller all the way around. The panels on this are 4 by 6 centimeters, and each panel is exactly the same. That's your 4 little window panels there. And you know what? You can swap and change. You can have 4 different types of DSP. You can have all the same, which is what I'm doing in this one. And really, the element that stands out the most, because those layers are quite simple, I guess. The texture, of course, of the embossing folder really helps. But what stands out is this center section. So I have used 3 circles that nest inside each other. I've used a combination of the Spotlight on Nature dies, as well as an old set of nesting circles as well. And it's as simple as me popping that sentiment on. I did use the Versamark to do that watermark stamping on there as well. And I have die cut from this gorgeous I think it's called Wintry Nests DSP. But really I was here to just quickly show you how easy this card comes together once you know the dimensions. And you can of course embellish this with whatever you like, use all different DSPs. And I really feel that this card could lend itself to any theme whatsoever. My big tip here though is if you are using a heavily embossed piece of cardstock for a background or any element really like this one, use heaps of glue. So whilst tape is great, the glue actually kind of just sets down a little bit in amongst all those grooves, so it will actually adhere a lot better. So I have used some of these die cut I guess foliage elements, and these give texture, so they're very fine. I think they came from I can't remember the die set at the moment off the top of my head. Maybe I'll pop it below, but you can see that I've torn one of them in half because I wanted to have those extra layers. This is a really great way to build upon layer so that you get that real luxury feel that cards have when they've got lots of elements. But because they're so finely cut, they don't interfere too much with the actual image that I've got set here of the beautiful wintry birds. And that's pretty much it, guys. Like I said, add lots of adhesive. Give this one a go. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and leave me a comment below telling me that you have finished it. Bye-bye.